I have a very exciting news. This is massive, massive news on this show. If you're listening right now, you've made it to the end. You've made it very far. And there's something we want to do in order to reward you for being, well, honestly, the best, because you've made it here and you're with us. And that reward is like no other reward, because it's a thing that you have all been asking for, and it's a thing that you've all been missing. Ladies and gentlemen, today we bring back the Willy Do wild card round.
Well, no, you have to stay here, like we said.
Don't worry about the mechanical aspects, Will.
Well, the mechanical components are very important.
Actually, hang on a second.
Bud.
Hang on a second here. The key thing is that we get it back in the show. And you can read the comments and you can see what the people need. And we're nothing without the people. Admit it, we're nothing without the people. And the people need to have their Willy Do wild card round, no matter which way it shows up, no matter who's sitting where, no matter what the mechanical components are.
Well, I would disagree, but
they just need, because you scour, let me just, for those that haven't experienced the Willy Do wild card round, let me explain to you how it works. So, Will Do spends, on average,
26 hours a day.
On average, about a week and a half to figure out whether or not a story is worthy of being in the wild card round. And he actually throws out far more stories than make it in. And he only selects the stories where he's really well-versed in the subject matter. So you know that when he does do a wild card round, you are going to leave informed. You might even leave an expert on the subject, on the topic, because of the way he's going to break it down for you, given his amount of exposure to that particular subject matter and his selection process, which is unlike anything I've ever seen before. This is why you love the segment. It's why I love the segment. And it's why I think it's hard for the show to go on without the segment. We all look forward to it. We all live in the shadow of the Willy Do wild card round. So, ladies and gentlemen, without further delay, I bring to you the Willy Do wild card round.
Are you staying or what? Okay, you're staying. So you're not talking as well again? Oh boy. Okay, well, this is a story about the Suez Canal. And apparently there's a blocked ship there. I just read about it like a couple days ago. It was trending on Twitter. And oh boy, you're leaving now? Oh jeez. Okay, so yeah, it's just stuck there. And apparently there's a lot of cargo. The world needs cargo. And yeah, hopefully it gets resolved quickly.